Hi, my name is Deanna and I'm a mobile printer product manager at ZQ610, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about a new AC powered battery eliminator solution that we recently launched. This solution actually allows users to connect the ZQ500 or the ZQ600 printers directly to an AC power source. One of the key benefits of this solution is the fact that a battery is actually no longer needed to power the printer. And obviously this saves a lot of time and money in managing and replacing batteries. The solution has a number of different use cases and can be used in a number of different environments. For example, in healthcare, the battery eliminator could be paired with the ZQ610 or the ZQ620 healthcare printers for specimen label printing and being powered off of a powered cart, a computer on wheels, or a workstation on wheels. Another application could be in emergency rooms where the printer could be mounted to a wall, or it could be just mounted to a table and then powered off of the AC power source. A key thing here to note on this application in healthcare is the fact that the AC adapter is actually IEC 60601 compliant, which is ideal in healthcare environments. Another application could be in retail. For example, the ZQ500, 521, the ZQ511, or certainly the ZQ600 series as well, could be used in BOPIS applications, which is buy online, pick up in store, where the printer would actually be mounted to a mobile powered cart that is, for receipt and label printing. Or perhaps you could take the printer and you could mount it to a wall, and it could be used as a self-help kiosk where you might want to scan a receipt and then scan a barcode, and then determine what the cost of the item is. So it would be a price check. So as you can see, there are a number of different use cases for this product. So next, what I want to do is show you how to actually use this product. It's actually very simple to install. First, I'll show you what ships in the box. What you're going to get is the AC adapter, and you're going to get the dummy battery pack. The thing that you'll notice that's not in the box is the line cord. You'll have to make sure that you order that separately, okay? So very simple to assemble. You basically take these two 6-pin connectors and you mate them together and secure them, and then you attach your line cord. So I have here the full solution, the dummy battery pack, and these are securely connected. I've attached the line cord already, as you can see. And then the last step is you take your printer, you basically take the battery out of the printer, pop in the dummy battery pack, you see, and then you just plug it in and power the printer. So we'll do that right now to show you. Power it up. And now the printer's coming up. So that's all I had for you today. Thank you again for joining me to learn more about the AC powered battery eliminator from ZQ610.